Welcome to the world of wild animals. Wolf. Wolves are clever and strong animals that live in forests, mountains, and snowy areas. They have thick fur to keep them warm and sharp teeth for eating meat. Wolves love to live in groups called packs, where they help and play with each other. Wolves can run very fast and have amazing stamina to travel long distances. Bear. Bears are big, strong animals with thick fur that keeps them warm in the forest and mountains. They love exploring, climbing trees, and searching for yummy foods like berries, fish, and honey. Even though they look tough, bears can be gentle and curious. Orangutans. Orangutans are gentle, smart animals with long, reddish-brown hair and strong arms that help them swing through the trees. They live high in the rainforest and love eating fruits, leaves, and flowers. Orangutans are very curious and like to play with sticks, leaves, and each other. Fox. Foxes are clever, playful animals with fluffy tails and bright, curious eyes. They love to explore forests, fields, and snowy areas, using their sharp ears to hear even the tiniest sounds. Foxes are great hunters and can quietly sneak around to find food like berries, insects, and small animals. Deer. Deer are gentle, graceful animals with big shiny eyes and long, slender legs that help them run fast. The males grow beautiful antlers that they shed and regrow every year. Deer love to explore forests and meadows while munching on leaves, grass, and fruits. Wild boar. Wild boars are strong, sturdy animals with bristly hair and a cute snout they use for digging in the ground. They love exploring forests and muddy areas while searching for roots, fruits, and insects to eat. Wild boars are fast runners and excellent at hiding when they sense danger. They usually travel in groups called sounders, which helps keep them safe. Baby wild boars, called piglets, have adorable stripes on their back. Antelope. Antelopes are fast, graceful animals that run and jump beautifully across grasslands. They have slim legs, cute curved horns, and big alert eyes that help them stay safe. Antelopes love to live in groups and spend their days munching on fresh grass and leaves. Hare. Wild hares are fast, long-legged animals that look a bit like rabbits but are much quicker and bigger. They have long ears that help them hear danger from far away and keep them safe. Hares live in open fields and meadows where they eat grass, plants, and tiny flowers. Moose. Moose are tall, gentle animals with long legs and big noses that make them look adorable and unique. Male moose grow huge, white antlers that look like giant fans on their heads. They love living in forests near lakes and rivers, where they eat leaves, plants, and even water lilies. Gazelle. Gazelles are small, fast, and graceful animals that live in grasslands and savannas. They have slender legs and curved horns that help them run and jump quickly to escape predators. Gazelles love to eat grass, leaves, and plants, and they often stay in groups called herds. They are amazing jumpers and can leap high and far, which makes them fun to watch. Jackal. Jackals are clever, quick animals that live in grasslands, forests, and deserts. They have pointy ears, sharp eyes, and fluffy tails that help them stay alert and safe. Jackals love working together in pairs or small families to find food and explore their home. Elk. Elk are large, graceful animals with strong legs and big, branching antlers on the males' heads. Elk are part of the deer family and are known for their loud, bugling voice. They live in forests and meadows, eating grass, leaves, and plants. Red panda. Red pandas are small, fluffy animals with bright reddish fur and a long striped tail that looks like a cozy scarf. They love climbing trees and spending most of their time resting on branches like little forest acrobats. Red pandas eat bamboo, fruits, and leaves, and they move quietly through the forest like tiny explorers. Mandrill. Mandrills are colorful, playful monkeys known for their bright blue and red faces and cheerful expressions. They live in warm African rainforests, where they spend their days exploring trees and searching for fruits, insects, and plants to eat. Thanks for watching Learn Kiddos. Please like and subscribe.